I started learning Te Reo Māori through Te Wānanga o Aotearoa in 2017. Fast forward to 2022, before I moved to Northland, I had a part-time job teaching Te Reo Māori night classes at Ngā Wharewatia Marae in Auckland. During the 2 years I was teaching the class, I started making little video tutorials for my students to help them understand the Reo Māori language structures. And then when I left the job, I carried on producing the videos. And that's where Tukua Te Reo was born. Fast forward again, and Tukua Te Reo brand has grown significantly. As well as the YouTube channel, I've developed a website, and I've also produced a series of books that sit alongside the videos to enable anyone who watches the videos to have access to practice activities and other resources that I've made ready available. This is the Tukua Te Reo YouTube channel. I've organised the videos into 7 playlists, starting with first steps and some conversational language. The second playlist is dedicated to learning about learning and some study strategies and techniques that are specifically tailored to additional language learning. From there, playlists 3 through 7 are about different sentence structures and language features which make up the building blocks of Te Reo Māori. The books are structured in a way that they align with the playlists. These are available in PDF format, and you can purchase them at my online shop at ko-fi.com. Just to finish, here's a little whakatauki for you. Mauri mahi, mauri ora. I can guarantee that putting in the mahi will help you get better results. Nei rā te mihi kia koutou katoa. Hei kona.